Hey guys, we're at the River Wyre here near Garstang. I've got my waders on. I've got my BFS setup here using an 8-pound braid with a 6-pound fluorocarbon. I've got a 3-gram jig head and these little curly tails I sell on my store. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy them. £3 for 10. Last time we was here, it looks like we've seen some chub around this area, and my younger brother caught a salmon down here, so we're actually fishing for trout, and if we get a chub or something, that'll be good. So we're going to slip down this little pathway here, get in. It looks kind of shallow. Nice little pathway this is, that takes you down at the side of the River Wyre. We've got an aqueduct up there that has the Lancaster Canal on. Yeah, it looks nice and shallower. But I can also use, I can also use the net to make sure it is shallow. It's not that slidey actually. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, it's nice and shallow here. Yeah. About half a foot. Yeah. We've seen that the chub, well, we think it's chub round there, wasn't it? Got my glasses on so I can see better. Oh, this is cooling me down, this is. Surely came up there, didn't it, right in front of us? Yeah, into there. Nice and clear this is. Okay guys, I'm not the best at casting my BFS setup right now, so you have to bear with me. As you can see, still need to get my brake on a bit higher. Go about there. It's not actually that slidey, is it? That slippy. Kind of seeing if maybe a little bit deeper. Yeah. Is it? We can start off down there and go down that way, can't we? A little bit deeper it is. Damn, still getting my bird's nest. Oh, I'm stuck on something. Oh wow, it does drop off a bit there. Sort of what you got to be careful in now, because you can't really see the bottom. There we go. I'm okay. It's up to my knees now, so still not deep enough to be worried about, but you still have to be careful. Because you don't want it to get past your waist, because that's when you're in trouble. And that, so nice and cool. It's a hot day and the river's keeping us nice and cool. And that, so we're gonna go out there, keep our rod tip up, give it a few jigs. See what we get. I might even put on a spinner actually. So what I'll do, I'll put a spinner on. Ooh, there's a rock there. Yeah, there's a rock there. So you've got to be careful. Slowly get to the bank. You don't want to break an ankle in here. Okay, I've changed out my little jig head for this Hester Gold 3 gram spinner with VMC hooks. So I'll put a link to these in the description, really cheap. So hopefully we get some of it. Yeah, that looks good in the water, that does. But we are heading upstream, so we'll probably get a better, won't get that many snags on the way back. Yeah. Okay, I've just caught something off camera. I caught something when I didn't even know I had something. How's that? I think it might be, I don't know what that is. Yeah, in the mouth. Look at that, guys. It's like a brown and a silver belly. I just threw it out the water. I didn't recall when I caught it. Oh! It just came off, but I got it still.
Damage capture of the day. A minnow. Ready for that minnow.
Caught it on that.
You saw it next to the in the mouth.
There it is.
Come back.
Come back in. What are the chances, man? So I say I caught a minnow now.